Working with QuickBooks Point of Sale and need to restore from a QPB backup file? These backups protect your retail business data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through restoring QuickBooks Point of Sale backup files for business continuity. Let's keep this in our back pocket. I have a specialized, rarely known method for opening QPB files when conventional applications give up. Here's a hint. Our ultimate backup plan is listed below. A .QPB file is a compact backup created by Intuit QuickBooks, designed for easy transfer between computers or for sending to an accountant. Users create this file to share a portable copy of their financial data without sending the much larger main company file, .QBW. The primary goal is data portability and restoration. The .QPB format is a proprietary compressed archive containing a snapshot of the main QuickBooks database and related transaction logs. Intuit designed it to be significantly smaller than the primary QBW file, optimizing it for email attachments and storage on removable media. It includes integrity checks to ensure data is not corrupted during transfer. For direct reading of QPB content, the best choice is Intuit QuickBooks. Desktop developed by Intuit Inc. The file must be mounted or accessed using specialized file system emulation software. Windows supports only the file shell, not the stored content, so proper access needs a restoration tool. We are performing a foundational software check. Right-click your QPB file and choose Open With. Test with Intuit QuickBooks. Desktop first. If it's missing, select another program. It's often a simple software fix. If you still cannot open your QPB file, that is okay. The QPB file is more stubborn than we thought. We're moving into the next phase with the 3 essential steps to unlock it. First, restoring in QuickBooks POS. Launch. QuickBooks, Point of Sale, and Use File. Then Utilities, then Restore from Backup. Navigate to the QPB file location and follow the restoration wizard. The process replaces current data with backup content, so verify backup currency before restoration. Complete restoration brings all customer inventory and transaction data current to the backup point. Next, backup best practices. Implement regular automated QuickBooks POS backups using the built-in scheduling features. Store QPB files in secure locations, including off-site cloud storage for disaster recovery. Test backup restoration periodically on non-production systems to verify backup integrity before relying on backups during actual data loss emergencies in retail operations. Finally, migration between systems. Use QPB files to migrate QuickBooks POS data between systems during hardware upgrades or location moves. Install QuickBooks POS on the new system and restore from QPB backup. Verify all data, including peripheral configurations, like barcode scanners, receipt printers, and payment terminals, are properly configured after restoration completes successfully. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.